how to erase part of an image in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can erase parts of an image in Canva using the latest feature. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Canva on your desktop or mobile device and click on create a new design and choose a preferred size. After that, you can upload an image that you want to edit, and after that you can simply tap on the image and click edit option at the top, and after clicking on that you can see the option labeled magic eraser, so simply tap on that. Now choose your brush size, and once you're done with that you can simply mark or select the object from the image that you want to remove, and after that you can simply click on erase. And if you make any mistakes, you can use restore brush to bring back erased areas. And that's it. That's how you can erase part of an image in Canva. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.